Assalamu alaikum students, hopefully all of you will be fine. So in previous class we completed the chapter data communication system. So I have two questions from the previous topics. What is the difference between data rate and baud rate? And the second question, name some modem used for data communication. So you have to pause the video for 5 minutes and answer this question. Now we are going to start another chapter, that is computer network, chapter number 5. In this chapter you will learn about the computer network, that what is mean by a network and what is mean by a computer network. So objective of this chapter is define computer network. After completing this chapter, your student will be able to define computer network. Then describe the use of network, why we use a network, and what are the advantages of a network. Define data transmission mode. In this chapter you will learn about the data transmission modes. Let's suppose how the data transfer from one device to another device. So what you will call when the data transmission from one side, when the data transmission from both side, and when the data transmission from both side and simultaneously. So you will learn in this chapter. Next you will learn about the define network architecture, how a network will be designed. After that you will be able to define client server network, that what is mean by client and what is mean by server, and how you will design client network server network. After that you will learn about types of a network, that how many types of a network we have. After that you student will be able to define network topology, that what is mean by network topology. We have different type of topologies. The physical layout of a network is called topology. So we will explain in detail that how many network topology we have. After that you will be able to describe types of a line. We have different type of line. In previous class and previous chapter you also study about the different type of line, dial-up modem and dial-up line and DSL line, etc., which is used for data communication network. So here we will also in detail study about the types of line which will be used in a computer network. So this was the objective of chapter number 5. Now we are going to start from the word network. What is mean by a network? By a network we mean that whenever you connect two or more devices with each other for the purpose of sharing the data, etc. Whenever you connect more than one device with each other by different ways, so it become a network by wire or by wireless. Network used for sharing of software, hardware and data. And data you will share picture, audio, video, text, etc. What is mean by sharing of software, sharing of hardware and data, I will explain it later in detail. But the purpose of a network, design a network, we have to share all these things with each other. Without a network you cannot access any other hardwares or software, or you cannot share a data with another person. Now I am going to explain a computer network. What is mean by computer network? So as I told that whenever you connect a device, so here we will talk about the computer. Whenever you connect more than one computer with each other for the purpose of sharing data and resources with each other, called computer network. So the main definition of a computer network is a computer network can be defined as interconnection of two or more computers to share data and resources such as documents, printer and internet connection. So it's called computer network. By computer network we also mean that we have to, let's suppose we have a single printer and we want to share this printer with more than one computer. So this will become a computer network. Each and every system will be access that a printer easily, so it become a network. So now how we will design and how we will set up this network, we will study it in detail later. So computer network, by computer network we mean that whenever you connect more than two computers with each other by different ways. What are the ways, we will later study in detail. Okay, now we are going to study about the uses of a network. The first use of a network is hardware sharing. What is mean by hardware sharing? Maybe you student visit internet cafe. So there we have a single PC called server. This server is sharing a memory with other computers, so it's called hardware sharing. Or let's suppose we have a single printer and we want to connect that printer with other computers, so it become hardware sharing. It allow to share hardware with other computer, example printer sharing, memory sharing, hard disks, etc. as I told you. So by hardware sharing we can share our memory and devices with another person easily. The next use of a network is software sharing. What is mean by software sharing? In internet cafe, the main server share application software with all the computer which is connected with a server. What is mean by server and what is mean by client, we will study it in later. Server is the main computer with which all the other computer are connected by wire or by wireless. So that server share all the software with their clients. Software sharing application software can be shared from server to other connected computer which will be connected with that server. Without connection we cannot share any software with that other computers. The next we have file sharing. What is mean by file sharing? By file sharing we mean that if whenever you want to share text, audio, video or image with another computer, so you can share these files easily and faster using a network. Whenever you connect a computer with other, so you will be able to share your files with their computer. The next use of a network, we have internet sharing. What is mean by internet sharing? A single high-speed internet can be also shared with other computer. When you have internet connection with a single PC, so you will be able to share that internet with other PCs also. How? So we will later study in detail. We will study in detail that how you will be able to connect you and share your internet with other devices. So today we study about the word computer network. What is mean by a network? By network we mean that whenever you connect more than one device with each other. So by computer network we mean that whenever you connect more than one computer with each other by different ways, so it become a computer network. For what purpose we are going to design a network? So we are going to design a network for these uses: for hardware sharing, software sharing, file sharing and internet sharing. So that were today topics. If you have any type of question related this topic, so you can ask me in comment. You also comment me if you have any type of question.